If you want to make your students laugh in 30 seconds without telling them a joke and without being their clown, then try out the 30-second laughter break. This simple exercise only requires a stopwatch, and your student's task is that they have to laugh for 30 seconds. So we're going to do it now together. Take a deep breath in through your nose and laugh on the exhale. And at the end of the 30 seconds, take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your nose. And inhale through your nose and exhale through your nose. This is a great exercise to refresh your students' brains and to simply give them a little break.